If you're looking to get your roof replaced, then chances are your primary concern, like everybody else, is about the budget. Well, stick around because today we're going to be talking about a cheaper alternative to a complete roof tear-off, and that's a nail-over roof. Hey guys, this is Brandon with the Roofing Channel. A nail-over roof, also called a shingle-over roof, isn't always seen as the ideal choice for a roof replacement, but it might be the right choice for you. Today, I'll be turning it over to Bill Ragan at one of his job sites, and he's going to talk to you about 3 topics regarding a nail-over roof. What is a nail-over roof compared to a tear-off? What are the pros and cons of a nail-over roof? And when might a nail-over roof be the right choice for you? What is a nail-over compared to a tear-off?
There's 2 types of roof installations. One is called a nail-over, and the other is called a tear-off. A nail-over is where we nail your new roof over an existing roof, and there are certain conditions that have to be met before we can do that. International Building Code does allow for a home to have 2 layers of shingles on its roof, but no more than 2. A tear-off is where we take your roof down to the existing plywood, install new underlayment, and then install a whole new roof system over a clean deck, which is 90% of the time, that is what we do.
What are the pros and cons of a nail-over roof?
One of the pros for nailing over an existing roof is you save the expense of the tear-off labor and the dump fees and the underlayment. The cons are you don't get a chance to see what the decking looks like, and you also have to go back with the same style shingle that is used on your roof that you're nailing over the top of.
When would a nail-over be right for you?
A roof nail-over might be the perfect solution for you if you're on a tight budget, or you're one of those homeowners that's in the neighborhood that they're taking the homes down and building better homes, and you're going to be maybe selling the home to a developer in 5 years and just need to get that much more life out of it.
Whether you decide to go with a nail-over roof or a tear-off, you have to make sure that your shingles are going to be installed properly. To learn the best practice for that, click on our video about hammer down and air gun nailing and comparing the 2 of those. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully you're feeling more informed about the roofing process. Take care.